Hello there, this is fairbinaryoptions.com Euro Australian dollar daily chart here. I am not trading a daily chart. You should not trade a daily chart, but in this situation I just want to show you the pattern that this pair has just broken and what it implies. Well, it implies that the highs here in the 150 area are going to be broken. This pair, first of all, this is Saturday, the 23rd of November, as you can see, and on Saturday and Sunday, basically during the weekend, we are paving the road, or we are analyzing markets on what to trade next week. And this Euro Australian dollar is extremely bullish going into next week, so basically we are looking to buy calls next week, either with end of day expiration date, or even with end of month expiration date or end of week expiration date, as we are on the 23rd, so basically end of month is going to be next week. The pattern that you have here on the daily chart, starting with the lows here, take a look at the lows. Now the lows are in the 1.16, okay, and the highs are in the 1.50 area. Now if you think that the euro and Australian dollar traveled from the 116 to the 150 area only to pierce the 50 level with the 36 pips and then to go back to the downside, then this is not happening when you're analyzing currency markets. Therefore, starting with these highs, what we have to the downside here is a contracting triangle. You might say, come on, it doesn't look like a contracting triangle. Well, it does. And the contracting triangle travels between the A and C and B and D trend lines, and this is wave A of a bigger degree. Let's make this one red, for example. And then of course the B wave to the upside. C, and the C wave is to the downside, but the C wave, you'll see when we'll zoom in a bit, it is not ending here with the lows, otherwise the triangle will not make any sense. But it is the B wave here ends like this, A, B, C, D, E with the triangle, and this would be the line to the upside. Then the D wave to the upside here, A, B, C, D. The E wave here. So A, B, C, D, E, and there you go. The whole triangle ends right here with the lows in the 143.19. The triangle travels, like mentioned earlier, travels between the A and C trend line and B and D, of course. And by the time this triangle is broken, basically we are looking for the 150 area here to come. Now the markets closed on this week on Friday at the highs 47.76. As you can see here, this break here was extremely powerful. For wave A, which is the longest one, you have a nice A, B, C, and if you zoom in and you go on the lower time frame to look at the triangle, as you can see here, this is where the C wave ends, and this is why the C wave is not ending here. This is a triangle, A, B, C, D, E, and this is why we are looking at this move to end here. So the B wave here, and then if you go and take a look, and this one here, like this. And this is our triangle, ladies and gentlemen. And this triangle ended with the E wave there, and most likely a fourth wave, this one to be the E wave, and most likely a fourth wave of a bigger degree. Now from this moment on, what we are looking on? Well, we are looking at a powerful move to the upside, to be a fifth wave type, as this is a fourth wave type out of this degree. So we are looking at a fifth wave type, most likely an extended impulsive move, as this move to the upside is extended. And in order to analyze this one, you should go on the lower time frame, even on the 1 hour chart. And this should be something like 1, 2, 3, and 4, and it should still go to the upside. Because the third wave here, the potential third wave here, is bigger than the first one, and the fifth does not end in such a manner in which the outcome to fit into the third wave, it implies we'll have a fifth wave extension at least to the upside, and that makes the case something like 148.90 or even 149 to come. What I'm trying to say is that heading into the next week, we are bullish for even the month end, and the 150 is going to be challenged. Therefore, I will go back on the daily chart to put the analysis. This is our target here, the fifth wave to the upside, and the target is this line. Make no mistake, 150 will come. As a consequence, and this being binary options, what we are doing here is we recommend for next week looking into buying call options on the euro and Australian dollar based on the broker you are trading with. Look at the expiration dates offered. Looking to buy call options with either end of week expiration date or end of month expiration date, because end of month also comes around the end of next week. So let me make this one a bit bigger. And change the color for it a bit, like this. So this is our recommendation for the euro and Australian dollar, as this move is an impulsive move and most likely head to new highs. It remains to be seen. Thank you very much for being here. This is fairbinaryoptions.com, and this is Saturday the 23rd of November, preparing the trading week next week. Thank you very much for being here. These analyses are valid due to our official sponsor, Lion Eye.